Hey guys, it's Caitlin Morris. I teach technology at Signature Premier Properties, and today we have another kvCORE tutorial for you. kvCORE is a national company CRM platform. The difference at Signature is it's free for all our agents. So today we have a really quick tutorial for you. I'm just gonna go over your smart number, what it is, how to find it. So basically kvCORE can automate sending mass texts from you. Can text your clients periodically throughout the year to follow up, but since it's a computer platform, it can't use your actual cell phone number. It's not connected with the cell phone providers, stuff like that. So what it does is it gives you your own phone number. If you click on your name in the top right corner, the first thing it shows is your smart number. So every Signature office has one smart number. So since I work out of our headquarters in East Northport, I have the same smart number as all of the other agents in East Northport. And how it works is someone calls that number, the computer is gonna scan all of the kvCORE accounts associated with that number and see who has that contact saved in their CRM. If more than one person has the same contact saved in their CRM, the computer is going to see who reached out to them last. It always works seamlessly. We haven't had any issues with it, but if you are concerned about not actually getting your lead, you can have an option to purchase your own smart number. It's really cheap. It's like $30 a month or something. You shouldn't have any problems with it. The only issue is if you're promoting your smart number and you don't actually have the contacts in your CRM. So you shouldn't create a billboard and put your smart number on it, because if someone random sees it and calls it, the computer is not going to know to reroute that lead to you. If it's a contact you're actively working with, you're sending them messages. If they respond, the message from that lead is definitely going to go to you too. If you purchase your own smart number, you could post it on a billboard. That number is unique to you. It's basically like another phone number, so it will. Any advertising, use your actual phone number. And then when you're using kvCORE to automate keeping up with your clients, just tell your clients that that's your second phone, your work phone. Don't worry about it. And that's basically it. That's the overview on smart numbers. So if you have any questions about Signature or our technology, send me a message.